Hello and welcome to another accounting video. In this one, we are going to look at what income statement is. This is also commonly known as statement of comprehensive income. The main purpose of this, or the main discussion here in this short video that we will do, is how to read or interpret an income statement that you can obtain from any online website if the company is a listed company. So let's look at what income statement is in summary. And if you want to watch a detailed video, I do have a video that's called a video on financial statements. So you can always go and watch that. Right. So let's look at what income statement is. As I said, income statement is also known as statement of comprehensive income. There are two ways that company can prepare income statements. There's a one-step and then two-step. The difference between one-step and two-step is that you prepare income statements separate and then comprehensive income section separately, whereas in one step you add these together, and then in two-step you separate it out. So in two-step you separate the two sections separate. You prepare two statements separately. So this is prepared separately. This is prepared separately. Whereas if it's one step, the companies will combine income statement plus the comprehensive income statement. You can always, as I said, you can always find income statement in company's annual report. So let's look at an example. This is an again Starbucks income statement. This is an income statement from Starbucks company. Right, so they are actually following a two-step method. They have followed two-step method. So they prepare income statement separately and then comprehensive income section separately. So this is income statement. This is income statement. So if you see here, this would be the bottom line number here, the earnings attributable to Starbucks. So this is basically net income for them. This is basically net income for them. And in the next slide, if you see here, this is the statement of comprehensive income, where in comprehensive income you add some other non-operating gains and losses. So in comprehensive income statement, it usually reports non-operating gains and losses, whereas all this section is coming from operating activities. Businesses operating activities. So very simple. If you look at a very simple formula, income statement actually follows. You would have revenues in here. So these are all revenues from their company operated store, licensed stores, or any other revenues. Then you have a total of net revenue. From here, it's all these. These are expenses. These are revenue. So revenue minus expenses give you operating income. Gives you operating income. And then from that, you deduct your interest or taxes / and of course, your company would have either both of them or at least one of them. Taxes for sure. If your company is profitable, they need to pay corporation tax. This is basically profit before. This is also known as profit before interest and tax. So this is a simple income statement. If you want to get into detailed calculations of these numbers, you can always refer to the notes. So each and every annual report of a company, they would have notes to these numbers. So if you want a detailed look, you can always find the annual report on the Starbucks website actually. So this information is available since it's a listed company. Right. So this is as we discussed, this is just a comprehensive income statement where you report, or a company reports, non-operating gains and losses. There are some ratios that you can, or companies, or as an investor, that you can calculate from income statement. There would be profitability analysis. So this is basically profitability analysis. So you can calculate profit margin ratio, gross profit margin, expense to sales ratio, expense to profit ratio, and here are the formulas that you can refer to for the calculation. So thank you very much for watching this video. If this video was helpful in understanding income statement, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.